Claas congratulates the Vanderloop equipment team for its well-deserved recognition. For more than 25 years, Vanderloop has been one of the leading retailers of Claas Jaguar forage harvesters throughout the U.S. We at Claas are proud to be part of the Vanderloop team.
You know, anytime you've got to make any personnel changes, what that looks like for the dealership, that obviously weighs heavy on everybody. The markets themselves, right? The industry, specifically the dairy industry in Wisconsin, is evolving really fast. The number of farms have shrunk in size dramatically. So the customer base, instead of say 1,000 customers, we might be dealing with 100 core customers. It's shrunk dramatically. So our business model, as far as how we're selling, how we're maintaining that customer, that clientele, has had to change. So we've been pushing quite a bit more to spend more time with individual customers, because one of the challenges, you know, we were $1 million dealer in 77. When you think of $1 million worth of Massey tractors in 77, that was a lot of units. And you look at how many customers and what that customer base looked like, it was massive. Now we're talking, okay, our customer base is maybe go back to say 100 or 150 core customers. The sales team, the 4 or 5 of us, now we got to spend more time with them customers, right? From the demo process to the paperwork to the whole deal, you're just closer in the whole process with them guys. So that's dramatically changed. The sales process is longer. They're buying more expensive pieces. There's more thought process going into it. You know, that's all changed. The ranking, or not necessarily the ranking, but the service call aspect has changed, right? The shop, the prioritization in the shop and what all happens there. That's all dramatically changed from what it was even 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And that's just due to shrinking the customer base. The ability to be able to call a customer right after a technician's been out there, or we had actually just spoke on it this morning, that's an opportunity for our sales guys to have another touch point with that customer. Is a service piece goes out, service advisor tells the salesperson on it, hey, would you mind calling this guy, seeing how they're doing a week later? It just adds all these touch points. And, you know, that's what we've got to be doing. That's what we have to provide as a dealership at our level and where we're at to really maintain viability and increase sales.